right, another day in the life of a carpet cleaner. Today I'm just getting out of the gas station, just getting ready to pull out onto the road here. You see these trucks coming. I'm heavy traffic trying to get out there. It's going to be a great day. Get this up where I can see you better. It's cold this morning on this last day of February 2024. And today I am going to do two jobs. One of them is a $450 job. It's a very large two-story house, and it has about eight rooms of carpeting and a set of stairs. So that's going to take probably about half of the day. I'm going to get down there about 8:15. I fully expect to be wrapping that up about noon. Now, usually doesn't take about 4 hours to do for 8 rooms, but you know, a lot of times I go online when these people call me and I look at their house online. A lot of times you can see the interior, and it just gives me a really good feel for what I'm going to have to be doing. And it's going to be a steam clean. It's not a low moisture clean, so I'm going to be taking my hoses all through the house. And the reason it's going to end up taking 4 hours, give or take, is because I'm going to have to be moving the hoses around in different parts of the house. So usually when I have a large house to do, this is about almost 4,000 square feet, I'll schedule half the day for it. I'll just give myself 4 or 5 hours, and then I'll only usually schedule one job in the afternoon, because again, I like to control my own schedule. I'm not young as I used to be, so I don't try to kill myself. But this job will be $450, and then this afternoon I'll do a small job, just 3 bedrooms, and it'll take me an hour and a half, and that'll be another $150, $160. So you're looking at a little over $600 today, and I fully expect to be done heading home by 2, 3 o'clock at the latest. And you know, I get these jobs by both of these jobs actually were by referrals. Some of my other customers referred them, and that's one of the things that you want to do. You want to build a clientele of people that love you so much that they will refer you. And so one of the conversations that people have is, you know, while they're looking at cleaning, spring cleaning, all those kind of things, they might say to one of their friends, you know, I'm going to have some carpet cleaning or some tile and grout cleaning done. Do you know anyone? And of course, my customers always say, yeah, you need to call Tony over at Cleaningsy. He does a great job. He has a fair price. And so that's how I got both of these jobs. They were both referrals. And I ask my customers, I tell my customers once I finish a job and they're happy, I ask them, you know, are you happy? And they're like, yeah. And I always just say, well, be sure to tell your friends. Go on, make a Facebook post for me or an Instagram post. But, you know, tell your friends. That would be very, very helpful. And what I do for my customers is once they have referred 3 people, you know, I make a note of it in my app. Once they've referred 3 people, then I call them and say, hey, you get a free cleaning. I'll clean your house again. You're, you know, up to 4 rooms. I'll clean 4 rooms of carpet for free if I get 3 referrals from you. And now, not very many people take advantage of that, to be honest with you. So I'm not doing that much free work. But by telling them that's an incentive. That's just an incentive to get them to do it. and they're glad to do it. They always say, "Really, that's great. I'll keep that in mind." But then they don't call me up and ask me how many referrals I've gotten or anything like that. So it's going to be a great day. This is a great business. It's a little chilly today. I don't like working in the cold weather, but I'm going to be inside, so it's all right. We only have according to the weather, we've got today and tomorrow are going to be chilly days, but then it's going to bump up into the 70s next week, which is awesome. Starting to move into the spring of the year. So, how to start a carpetcleaningbusiness.com is where you can go get some information. You can get a free download there, a couple of free resources if you go to howtostartacarpetcleaningbusiness.com/freebies. I've got some freebies there for you, some information for you. And I'd love to teach you how to do this. If you'd like to learn how to do what I do, tell your boss, see you, and go out and take control of your schedule, take control of your life, and do what I'm doing. I took yesterday off. I did not work yesterday. That's what I love the most about this. I control my schedule, I make good money, and I have the freedom to take a day off anytime I want to. And so, hope this has been an encouragement to you, and I also hope that you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you download some of my freebies, and perhaps even in my course that's going to be available very soon.